Hello guys, I'm Coach G. You can find me on Facebook and on YouTube as Coach G, Coach Games. Okay, what I'm going to do today is I'm going to put an arcade one up together for you. Walmart, for the most part, sells it, and other companies might too, like Sam's. Okay, this is the simple one. There's some anniversary one. This is the simple one, which is Pac-Man, Galaga, Mortal Kombat, Fighting Fights. Okay, so we have one assembled already. Okay, you see it? Okay, and then we have one pre-assembled. It's in the screen and the control deck. Okay, so we're gonna start from scratch. Okay, so here we have all the parts. Monitor is here. Okay. Again, this is gonna be a bunch of parts from different arcade one-ups. So that's what I have right now. I'm just gonna put it together for you guys. Okay. Here are your screws. Okay, we got the small ones. These are for the screen. Okay, we got the big ones. There's 12 of these. This is for the main unit. Okay, all the main unit. Okay, and then these are for the monitor on top. Okay, and then you have some different ones here in this bracket. Make sure you have a screw, a drill. It helps. It helps so you can do it fast. Okay, this is the part that people mess up, and I get a lot of questions on eBay on where this part goes. Okay, so this comes already assembled with this one together, the top decal. Not big girls. Okay, so you put that back. Okay, we put that back, and we can get started on the main frame. You can do it yourself, or you can have a partner. I can do it myself already because I know where all the parts go. Okay, so you're gonna need something to hold on to the bottom of the base. Okay, so we'll put this right here, and this is gonna be uh, for back support, so it doesn't fall back. Okay, so again, this one's a little damaged. That's okay. This is part G. Right, part G is gonna go on the back, and it does have. It comes with it. These are wooden sticks, real small. They go right there in the middle. Okay, you got 4 of those. Okay, make sure you have these on hand with you at all times. So I'm gonna put them in my pocket so that I can be ready to put them on the frame. Okay, so they're gonna go in the middle screw, in the middle hole. This is where it's gonna go. Okay. How can you tell? On the other side, we have holes on it. Right, on the other side, we have holes. That's for the screw, so the wooden stick doesn't go there. Okay, so that helps. Again, what do we need this for support right here? Okay. Once you start putting screws, that's gonna no longer be needed. Okay. So if I turn it a little bit so you guys can see, okay, where the base goes here. Okay, and then the screws are gonna go right there. Okay, so tighten it up a little bit. If you have your drill with you, do it. Lost the screw, that's fine. I have some extra ones. See, that's why I tell you to have them in your pocket so that you can be ready to screw them on. Okay, you don't have to go all the way. Try and do as much as you can. That way you can put the second part to it. Okay. Again, that way you can start it up tight if you want already. If not, if you can because you're doing it by yourself, then go to the next part, which is this one. Okay. Same thing. Okay. Have your on hand, right, so that you can be ready to screw it together. Now, because I was showing you that how to screw this one, I wasn't able to tighten the other ones, but you can already. Okay, but not too much. A little bit, so that all the other parts can start fitting in. Okay. You have 2Ks. Okay. One goes in front and one on the back. Okay, so we'll start with the one on the back first. Okay, and it goes right here. Okay, goes right here. Again, I can't stress enough that you need to have screws on hand so that you can put it together really fast. Okay, so that one's, again, don't tighten up yet, just a little bit, because you need to put other parts to it. Okay, right there, the other one goes, and as you can see, you do not need a partner to put this one together. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna go back to L. Okay, L's missing one little. And I'm not gonna have time to replace it right now because I'm doing the video, but you do have to replace it. Again, the L goes right here on top. How do you know? Because I'm telling you. Okay, if you don't have a manual, then you know this video is good for you. Okay. Again, it's already taking shape. It's not gonna fall if you don't tighten the screws up completely. It's okay. See, it's already taking place. Okay. So I'm gonna remove this one because I'm gonna put the Pac-Man one. It's the same thing. It's missing the wooden screw, so I should have some over here. Again, they come with. Not ready for that one. Okay, we'll get this one. Take them off from here so that we can. Again, I wasn't ready for that one. I didn't realize it was missing it, but I have some extra ones and we'll put it right here. Okay, there you go. And again, have them ready. The screws, I have them in my pocket. That goes there. This one goes here. Again, we don't want to tighten it up too much because we got to put in the screen. A little bit. We'll leave it like that. There you go. Okay. So on the screen, again, it comes with the loose brackets, right? The smallest screws go there. Okay, they go here with the bracket. It's already pre-holed on the screen, right? So you screw them on, two. That's 8 screws, and then you need 8 more to put it together. Okay. So at this point, you can go with that one, or you can put this one slides in. Okay. This one slides in. Still has the cover. I'm gonna leave it because it's gonna go up on sale on eBay later. You can look for it. Panther and Tiger. That's our selling ID. Panther and Tiger. Okay. Goes there. And we are missing one part. Perfect. Okay, so we're missing J part. We're back to it, right? Turn it around and it's gonna slide in. And it should slide in right there. Got it? And then H part's gonna go on top, right? So it tells you all the numbers and the specifics on your machine. Okay? And this one's gonna go on top. Okay, right here. Now, what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna put the screen. Keep that one on the side. still missing the K, right? The K is going to go right here. It's going to go right in here. Okay, so you can put it in there and screw it on. Again, you could have put this before the decal. It doesn't, you could do it either way. Before the decal or right now like I'm doing it. So it shouldn't be a problem putting it. Again, KK, L on top. Okay, that's the way it goes. KK, L on top. Okay. Now here comes the screen. Slide it in. This is why we don't tighten up all the other ones, so that we can slide this in. Okay. There's 2 screws that go right here in this hole. We have them ready so that you can screw it on. There it is. Fits in perfectly. And then tighten up those screws. Okay. Having a little trouble. Again, if somebody can help you, that'll be great. If not, then you're on your own, buddy. There's one. And here comes the other one. And there it is. It doesn't fall, it doesn't move. And the little ones, right? The little ones will go on the sides, right here. Now, there we go. There they go on the sides. And you put the rest, 2 more over here, 2 more over there. We're not gonna put them just for time constraining, but you need to put the rest on. Then you slide in this one. Again, this is why we don't tighten it up, so that we can put all these items together without having to tighten up the screen again, everything again. Okay? Go. So it might move because it's not tight. Now you can tighten up the screws already. Make sure this one's correctly inserted. There, screws. There. The other one's on the side. And they shouldn't do that, but they did. Okay, good. Good there. The back part. Alright. These little vents go down. This is the F part. The little vents go down. Don't forget to put the free wire that comes with it. Alright. Free wire right here. This one you're going to slide it in here. The long part inside. Slide it in. Okay, and then this one goes right there. So now that you've done that, push it in. The base goes on the edge right here. There's a pre-hole to it. There. Screws right here. And we're ready to close it. Again, I can't stress enough having the screws in your pocket. Alright, if you're doing it alone. So this goes here. Now if you want to change the screws that have a little bit more of a, so they can go in quicker, change the screws, but if you're buying it directly from the store and it already comes with the regular screws. Okay. Then we have to control, right? Plug it in. It's got its way of going in, so don't force it. You don't want to mess up the teeth inside. Okay, so check, see if you're doing it correctly. Yes, there you go. It goes in there. Got screws on each side. I already had a couple of them there. And there it is. Assembled. Take about 8 minutes to put it together or so. No, a little bit longer. Okay. Again, look for me on YouTube, Coach G, Armando Gomez, or also on eBay, Panther and Tiger together. Panther and Tiger. I sell this. I have more, and I sell other stuff, electronics, collectibles, anything that you might need. You might find it with me. Power tools. So look for it on YouTube and eBay. Panther and Tiger on eBay. Again, subscribe. Thank you for watching.